Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, my name is Sonia. Welcome once again. In today's video I will be showing you how I've achieved this beautiful braids. So this braid was done on my client's head. So guys, if you like to see how I've achieved that, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and press the notification bell. So in today's video, this is the hair extension that I've used. It's my first time using it, but I love it so much. It's stress-free because the hair is being pulled. It has been pulled already, so I don't need to cut, or I don't need to plug the tip of the extensions. And the texture of this braid was so flawless, and she has like a kind of curly and very soft curly, like that type of texture of hair. So I'm using less charm condition to grip a hair from the root. Right, guys, this is the final look of my braid. I went ahead behind camera styling her hair, trim the excess flies on the hair, applying mousse to lay all the fly down, and I also use a shiny spray to spray her hair. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please thumbs up, make sure you comment down below, and remember to subscribe and also press the notification bell. Kindly subscribe, press the notification bell, and I will see you on my next video.